terms of the East African countries, in the report we estimate that for every tonne of additional second-hand clothing imported into East African countries, this is generating 7.58 new jobs. These are not just jobs that are directly in the mĩtumba trade, they're also forms of employment in associated sectors and trades, everything from warehousing to movement of goods to helping to run marketplaces to associated retail and shops. This supply chain is vast and it's creating significantly more employment opportunities beyond just the mĩtumba trade itself.
Andũ milioni 2 marutaga wĩra ũcio niho ithũkũmĩro rĩao na niho maica mao makoragwo. Ũguo no twende thirikari ĩrĩkogonize ũndũ ũcio na tuĩke ya gũtũ support. Number 2 nĩ ngwenda kuga kwendia mĩtumba gũtirĩ kwa undermine ũrugũria kana revival ya textile industry. Textile industry ĩngĩũkĩrio na mĩtumba no citwarane no cing'ang'ane thoko nĩ ĩrĩ competition.